How to add template in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a template in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management platform that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your details, all your tasks and others. And in this video, we're gonna use template from ClickUp. So ClickUp have a template center that have a lot of templates we can use. So it will easier for us because we don't need to create it from scratch. In order to do that, we can go to left side and you can click plus icon in the one of your space. So if you don't have space yet, you can just click plus icon here to create a space. You can name it, add a description, and also make it private if you want, and then click continue. After you create a space, you can just click plus icon here on your space to add a template. Go to template here and it will bring you to the template center, and then on the left side, because we are new, we can just focus on space here. You can click space here. We're gonna click space and then uncheck this one, and also you can choose the complexity, beginner or intermediate or advanced. You can choose. So let's say we choose beginner. So there are a bunch of templates. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Just for example, this is the description of the template, and then these are the features of the template. There are status groups, custom fields, text, a lot of text, click apps, few types, and also the automation if you want. Then you can just click use template here, and then you can name your template. Let's say test template. Then you can import anything if you have data or something like that, or you can also customize import items. For this one, I'm gonna, leave it like that, leave it as it is. And then you can choose to include archive tasks. I'm gonna click no, and then you can click use template. Oops, okay, so in order to use this template, we have to upgrade. So let's say I'm gonna choose another template. Let's see, let's see. I'm gonna random, choose a random template. Maybe this one, I don't know. Just click it, test template, then click use template, and then yeah, we wait a few seconds. After wait a few seconds, my template has successfully created. As you can see on the left side, this is the test template, and also there are the folders or the tasks, and then you can just modify it or edit anything here. And if you want to add more template, you can just click plus icon here again and then click template, and then you can add more. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.